But hello there, route bowlers. It's time to strike into action. We want to see your turkeys on 7-10 splits.
Because it's Cosmic Bowling Night.
Tomorrow night, Thursday, October 13th, the Milwaukie Mustang High School boys basketball team will be hosting its Cosmic Bowling fundraiser. Waylon, what's your opinion on bowling?
Okay, bowling is a little bit weird for me because like you never really know like what's been in those holes like of the balls. It's just a little bit weird journey to me. I will admit I have my own bowling ball and my own bowling shoes because my family is very into bowling. It's fun when you're good at it, but it sucks when you're bad.
Alright, Dory, what's your opinion on bowling?
People buy you pizza when you go bowling, so I like it.
Oh.
Alright, Dory likes it because of pizza. Miss Ward, what's your opinion on bowling?
My opinion on bowling is that it's a pretty fun activity. I do it from time to time. I'm not very good at it. It's hard. That's all.
Thank you, Miss Ward. Miss Hudson, what's your opinion on bowling?
Well, in teacher training, they teach us that bowling is when there's a power difference. And most of the time at Rowe, I see people being mean to each other that are kind of at equals. So I don't think that's true bowling. It's just people being mean to each other. And to that, I have to say, where's the love?
Alright, I'm bowling. Bowling! The event will take place at the Milwaukie Bowl from 9 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Miss Hudson, what's your opinion on bowling?
Bowling is fun. Like you do this and it goes like that and it makes boom sounds and you can be creative and it's kind of violent, you know, and it's like aggressive and it's fun. I like it. It's cool.
Thank you, Miss Hudson.
It costs $10 to bowl. We'll have all the lights off with the lanes on some glow-in-the-dark tip. So it will be beautiful and fun.
Alright, proceeds will go to the Milwaukie High School boys basketball program. Thanks for helping us get ready for the season by coming through and supporting our team. See you there, bowlers.